Hello again, guys. You know what this is, right? You know how to install this, right? This is called a THUMBTURN, right? But let me ask you, do you know really how to properly install these simple things on a lock or on a mortise lock? I will tell you. Now, everybody knows how to install, as you said, a THUMBTURN on a lock. It's either on this side it's very simple, but do you really properly install a THUMBTURN? Okay, I'll show you one. Okay, now let's take a look on this installation of a THUMBTURN. Right. You see the position? You see that? When the bolt is extracted or protruding, the position of this THUMBTURN should be on that side. That is the indicator that the bolt is out and the installation is wrong. Okay, let's correct this. Okay, now let's do it again. That means the door is locked. This is an indicator. That is why they didn't develop a THUMBTURN that is round. It is most of the time flat because that indicates that is the indicator that the bolt is out, and that is the indicator that the bolt is in. So that is as simple as that. So again, I will ask you, did you install your THUMBTURN correctly on your installation? Yeah, it's up to you to answer that, but that is the explanation and a correction for those who still doesn't know how this THUMBTURN indicates the bolt is out or the bolt is in, because it helps also the user to know whether his deadbolt is locked or unlocked by just looking at the THUMBTURN. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Good day.